Welcome. In front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't get the right screen lock pattern to access your device. So the first thing that you should try to do is take your time and try to remember the pattern that worked for you the last time you accessed this device. And in case this doesn't help you, or in case you really can't remember the passcode, then the other best decision would be to contact the BIGME customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you regain access to your device without removing any personal data or information from your device. Now, if this option is unavailable for you too for some reason, then the other solution and the only one remaining is to perform a factory reset operation. Now, if you have a Google account connected to your device, then in such case you can use the Find Hub service by Google. You can access it using your web browser on any other device. So look up Find Hub, and then once you go to Find Hub website, log in with your Google account that is connected to the smartphone, then select this device on the list and select Factory Reset in order to perform a factory reset operation on your phone, and then set up your device again. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is by using recovery mode. Now, the recovery mode is pretty tricky on this phone, considering its specific interface and the way of handling. So if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset on BIGME HiBreak Pro step by step. So if you need that video, then go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.